Hey guys, welcome to my balcony. Just came home from work and decided to come out here. I'm actually cooking fish. People are still coming home. I literally just drove home too. How's your day today? Looking in the sky. Skies, you have some planes over there going to and fro. But apart from that, the night is really quiet and calm. There's a plane over there. I don't know if you can see it. But I'm always trying to share my balcony views with you. It is cold in the Midwest, but it's not freezing cold. But I don't have a coat on here. I should. But it's not terrible. Just wanted to get a little bit of a fresh air outside of my apartment, and that's what the balcony's for. Yeah, these are the lights of the houses. We're seeing more of that now. There are planes in the skies, but not as prevalent as usual. Air traffic control is open now, so we'll see more planes. But I just wanted to say happy Tuesday night and welcome to my balcony again. Ciao.